happened? What are you thinking? क्या हुआ?
Remember the last time you were here during your college days?
Yeah, it was monsoon last July.
Yeah, you slipped and fell down.
Instead of helping me, you were laughing at me. That's so
No, I think he was the one that pushed you down.
Yeah, I also remember the same.
I really feel sad that I have to go to Delhi for my new job.
Hey, I know. It would be really fun if we were in the same company.
Hey, remember the fun we had singing together? Late night parties, hangouts. I'm gonna miss that, man.
Me too.
Me too. I'm really gonna miss that.
And we are going to miss you too, Anand.
I'm so excited. I mean, I'm gonna big MNC. There will be so many people from all over India. I'm gonna travel so many places. I mean, this MNC has a lot of offices in the world.
Right, right. Neha, I'm sure you're gonna use all your hard-earned money to save all the poor people. I mean, help them out, like you did in college, didn't you?
I know. The last time she used her savings for watchman's wife when she was sick.
I know. I can't even remember, all the instances where Neha has helped the poor people. I mean, she has helped in old age homes, and she has helped all the poor children who doesn't have parents, the street children. I mean, she has such a big heart. I'm so lucky to have friends like you. I think that I'm going to go to Delhi, and it's such a big city, and I'm going to be all alone by myself out there. I'm really going to miss you folks,
Even me too. But यार जाने से पहले मेरे 350 रुपए दे के जाना.
So you still remember that 300
Yeah,
rupees?
come on, man.
भैया चलोगे क्या?
साहब आपके साथ चलूंगा तो फिर गाड़ी का क्या करूंगा?
अरे भैया मेरा मतलब खाली हो क्या?
दिमाग की बात कर रहे हो, गाड़ी की बात कर रहे हो?
अरे भैया गाड़ी तो खाली दिख रही, दिमाग का पता नहीं.
क्या साहब, आप और मेरी बीवी एक जैसे ही सोचते हैं. अरे साहब मजे ले रहा था.
भैया मजे ले लियो तो चले.
हाँ आ जाओ आ जाओ.
थैंक यू. क्या भैया कहाँ से हो?
शमशानगंज.
आपको देख के लग ही रहा था कि आप किसी ऐसी खौफनाक जगह से हो.
अच्छा भैया बताओ कहाँ छोड़ दूं?
भैया हाईटेक सिटी.
हाईटेक सिटी? अरे साहब आप तो मतलब बड़े आदमी हो, खूब नोट छाप रहे होगे आप तो.
अरे भैया आज तो पहले दिन है.
क्या पहला दिन? मुझे तो लगा आप ऑफिस के बड़े बाबू होगे. वैसे आपके पास भाड़े के पैसे तो हैं?
हाँ है, आप चलो.
एक बात बताओ साहब, मेरा कुछ जुगाड़ कर सकते हो वहाँ पे? मैं भी आपकी तरह कुछ नोट छाप लूँ.
भैया उसके लिए टेक्निकल डिग्री की जरूरत पड़ती है.
मिलेगा ना, उसकी चिंता नहीं है. आप शाम तक टाइम दो, सब जुगाड़ हो जाएगा. कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट बोलो, अमीर पेट है ना.
भैया मुझे माफ करो, मुझे बस आगे यहीं छोड़ दो. Hey, Prashant sir.
Yeah, I'm Prashant. I'm managing this project.
Hi sir.
Welcome to our company. Let's go and talk to you.
Yeah, sure sir, sure sir.
Welcome to the corporate world, Vikram. Do you know anything about our organization?
No sir, I don't have any idea.
Okay, first of all, let me tell you, not to address anyone sir or madam. There is no hierarchy, and we believe in equality when it comes to respect. This is one of the core values of our organization.
Okay sir. Prashant. What will be my responsibilities, Prashant?
Vikram, our organization is one of the top 10 MNC in India, and we have reached here because certain things are valued. We have hired you because we feel you are one of the best representative of the young and energetic generation. Your merit and talent, if you can nurture and develop, those will be recognized and appreciated.
Thanks, Prashant. I'm focused, I'm dedicated, I'm a hard-working person, and I can come on weekends. I can sit for long hours.
Though there will be plenty of expectation from you and huge learning curve as you get into our organization, we also encourage our employees to maintain a balance between the professional and personal life.
And I think, Prashant, I'm in the right place, with the right minds.
That's the irony. Nothing is ever perfect or right. It is us, our proactive effort, that brings us to perfection. Even we have challenges here. Customer expectations are really high, and in ever increasingly competitive market, we have to prove worth every single day to run our show. In my years, I have seen plenty of enthusiastic young people like yourself who start off with very high energy and slowly lose their focus under the pressure. Till now, you have focused your own grades and progress. But out here, it's a different ballgame. Even if you're a star performer, but if team fails, your effort and contribution goes in vain. That what means is all work for a common goal and purpose as a team. So, by any chance, do you know what does team stands for? TEAM.
Team.
Okay, it's together everyone achieves more. Let me show you a picture which will tell you what exactly teamwork means to you. Now tell me what you infer from this picture.
Some laborers working on the railroad. I totally messed up thing.
Exactly, they messed up because there's no coordination and communication between the team members. I'll show you another picture.
Oh, I got it. This guy should use the single letter. That could give the result.
Exactly. If he knows how to properly utilize the resources, he would have achieved the result. I forgot that I have to rush for the meeting. Welcome on board and all the best.
Thanks, Prashant.
Everything, whatever I told
Yeah, Prashant. Most of the things.
That's very solid. Meet one of my team member. She's Sharmila. She's one of the finest resources in our team.
Hi, Sharmila.
See you guys.
Thanks, Prashant. Thanks.
So, first job?
No, third. Actually, I was fresher in all the 3 jobs.
Okay.
Just kidding. Of course, it's my first job.
Nervous?
No.
But you look like you didn't have a good night's sleep.
Actually, I was partying with my friends the whole night.
Okay.
So, Prashant was telling me that there's a lot of work in this project, but I don't think he's right.
Why do you say so?
I mean, you are sitting here sipping coffee.
Oh, I do a lot of work and I'm here downstairs only for a break. However, I think once you join this company and start working here, you may have to get a cap.
A cap? For what?
Yeah, I mean, whatever hair is left in your head, that may also go away.
So, from your previous experience, can you suggest me some shop where I can get caps for real cheap?
Oh yeah, Sikandrabad station.
Okay. I'm feeling little bit hungry. Can I buy you lunch?
Tell me something. Do you do this every time?
What?
Like asking a girl out for lunch the first time you meet her?
Wish I had that kind of money. Hey, Sharmila. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, work is going great. Lunch? Just give me half an hour. Sharmila, would you like to go outside with me on this Sunday? Just asking. Oh, see you then. Okay then. Weekend was fun. I mean, we partied the whole night, boozing. I almost lost my way back home.
You guys drink and party all night always? I mean, how will your parents feel about all this if they get to know?
What's wrong with that? I mean, I love my parents too, but at the end of the day, it's my life, right?
Isn't it bad for your health? And moreover, you're risking your life as well as other people's life when you're drinking and driving.
Come on. Let me ask you one thing. What's your dream in life?
You seriously asked me, and if I really have to tell you honestly, I never wanted to be in this industry. My dream was to pursue higher education. I always wanted to be a research scholar.
Are you kidding me? Study is so boring. I mean, I hardly managed studies during my college. Raised in such a conservative culture, and yet you trusted me enough to see me. I mean, I really admire that you came out today for me.
some work to be done like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on it.
You just told me the same thing like 3 days ago.
And I'm working on it. I'll share with you.
You know, I've been getting a lot of pressure from my seniors.
I know. Yeah, I'll share it with you.
I mean, can you do it real quick?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, hi Vikram.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How's work?
Going.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I am.
Would you like to go for a movie with me tonight?
Not sure.
Hey folks, how are you?
Hi,
Hi,
doing
Prashant.
good.
Hey Shabili.
Hi.
Last night actually we got a mail from client and they were really appreciative of the work that you did last week. Good job.
Thank you.
Hey, how about you?
Yeah, Prashant.
What happened to the work that we have given last week?
Prashant, I'm working on it.
Still?
Yeah, I'll share it as soon as possible.
Remember we have a tight deadline and we are still running late. Try your level best to complete it, okay?
Yeah, Prashant.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I am.
Is there any issue with the work?
No, not exactly.
Do you need any help?
I don't think so. There's some work, I'll do it. Shamila, I don't think I'll join you today. There's a lot of work.
Okay. Hey Vikram, can you drop me home today?
No, I have work to complete.
We haven't seen each other for a while, and we don't even have our lunches together. I don't even know if you have your lunch at all.
I don't want to discuss this now. Please leave me alone. I have plenty of work.
I do my work too, but I always find time for you.
Wait. What are you trying to prove? That you are a genius and I am an idiot?
Okay, fine, I'll not disturb you anymore.
Hey Vikram, what are you doing?
Hey, hi Prashant. Was just building some logics.
Oh, for your assignment?
Yeah, just some work.
So, busy, can we talk for 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure.
Please come. Yeah Vikram, tell me.
Prashant, I'm not able to handle the transformation from my college life to corporate life.
Yeah, I agree. Everyone, including me, have gone through that. Till the time you're not getting out of college mode, you'll not be able to focus for the common purpose that we are here. And as you know, that is business and client satisfaction.
Yeah. I realized the moment I stepped into the corporate world. But the only thing that bothers me is that I don't feel a sense of ownership for my work. Work always comes with tight deadlines, predefined approaches. I'm feeling like a robot following his master's instruction.
That is a valid point, Vikram. But client expectation growing day by day. Work always come to us with stringent deadline, and we have to make them happy. We have to follow our organization's certain values, rules, regulations, and procedures.
I understand you, Prashant, but this way I cannot express my ideas and thoughts.
Our organization do encourage innovation, but it's not be at the cost of client deliverables. One more thing I observed about you. You don't socialize with the team members and tends to work in silos. Remember, in our first meeting, I emphasized on the teamwork. till the time you are not reaching the team members, you'll not be able to meet the deadlines.
You are right, Prashant. In fact, I'm not getting the time for myself, for my interests. That is the only reason. Most of the time, I'm sitting at the office achieving nothing.
Okay, let me reiterate. When you're leaving from the office, leave work, and when you're alone, focus on your personal interest and enjoy your life. So, can I see that dedication, that confidence, and the fire within you?
You mean that fire?
तू नहीं सुधरेगा.
I have a lot of work, so it'll be nice if you can make it quick.
Yeah. Sharmila, from last so many days, I'm going through a tough phase of my life. I know, these situations I only created for myself. And today, these are affecting my life, both personally and professionally. In fact, this is disturbing our relationship too. And one thing I learned, like life is not that easy. Life is not a cakewalk. I realized that your presence means a lot to me.
Yeah, Vikram, I know all that you're trying to say. But it was time for me to support you. I was busy rejoicing over my own appreciations. All of this has been a learning for me too, that when you're close to somebody, you need to stick to that person no matter what the conditions are.
Yeah. In fact, I learned that in order to grow in life, you have to accept the responsibilities of the things you are good at. I also learned that in order to succeed, you have to leverage others' capabilities as well as your own. Without ups and downs, life is meaningless.
Both have learned a lot from this. And from now on, we're going to stick to each other and fight together.
Hey, Anand is calling. Hello. Hi, Anand. How are you? How's Delhi? Right now, I am with Vikram only, and yeah, he is actually happy.
I'll be there. Sure, man, sure. Yeah. Hey, how are you, buddy? How are you? Yeah, that's because of you guys. I'm just loving this environment, man.
Yeah, we heard that you have organized a trek today.
Yeah, of course. We are organizing a trek and you guys can join us.
Yeah, sure, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.